This is our series in Women in WordPress, starting out with the Women's History Month. And just this past weekend, we had International Women's Day. And my next guest is Ranu Patel. Hopefully, I said your name right. I didn't ask you beforehand.
Yes, yes, correct.
Very good, very good. Who I got to see and spend quite a bit of time with, and lots of
Yeah,
selfies.
sure.
And when we were
Yeah,
at,
we took lots of selfies in WordCamp Asia.
that's right, it was so much fun. I was like, hey, it's you again, another selfie.
Yeah.
But for people who haven't met you, why don't you tell us where you're located in the world and what you do with WordPress?
So, firstly, myself is Ranu Patel. I'm located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, which is the India's best city, or I can say the state. Uh, I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and I've been using WordPress more than 15 years. So you
Wow.
can say I'm a lover of WordPress
Yes, for sure.
since since WordPress started. So previously, like I was in .NET, I was using as a .NET developer when I passed my masters.
Mhm.
Then I faced some challenges in .NET, so I moved my career since 2012 using started using the WordPress, met some blog websites, and then slowly started some web development activities. So initially 4 or 5 years I worked as a WordPress developer, so I learned so many things. I enjoy working with WordPress. Even my company's team member also enjoy, and they learn easily with the WordPress as compared to other things like
Mhm.
PHP and other Shopify and all those things at that time was not famous. And the most important thing, WordPress is open source CMS which anybody can use. So yeah, this is
Very important, absolutely. When why would you so much in WordPress as opposed to everything else? You like WordPress better because it's easy, because of the community, all of the
yeah.
above? What makes it special to you?
So I would say in one word, WordPress is limitless.
I like that. I
We
like
can
that.
manage everything and people don't need to struggle. Like I've been working with all the overseas business owner almost past 13 years,
Mhm.
so they can easy to manage things. They don't need to struggle as compared to other CMS. They don't need to write the code. In WordPress they can easily customize the things, and even if they don't have the technical knowledge, they can easily understand.
Yeah, I agree. When I first learned how to use CSS, it was like, wow, like WordPress
Oh,
became even more accessible to me to do things with.
yeah.
At first, I didn't understand, and then somebody taught it to me. And within one afternoon, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so much easier than I thought it was, for
Now
sure.
even in the Women's Day event, I openly say to every woman who don't have knowledge, WordPress don't require any degree or any prior education or something like that. Anybody can learn, and if you want to learn, I am here
Yeah.
as a community contributor. I want to do volunteering work, so I can be like everybody want to be in the WordPress community, so they can start their own small business, especially women who want to do something for their own. If somebody have interest in writing, they can start writing the blog. If somebody want to sell their product, or they want to start some their online business or something, they can start with the WordPress. They don't need to do a lots of expenses.
I love that. That's
So
awesome.
every woman can start. So especially for women, I would say they can easily manage it and easily learn it. And apart from that, every community member here in Ahmedabad, like as a friend or family member, ready to support.
hmm
So if anyone face any kind of challenges, everybody around you, they can help you. They can guide you how to do this, how to do this. So
It is
yeah,
amazing how many people are ready, just willing to help you out. Even, and I had
yeah.
somebody asked me once why I was teaching WordPress. Wasn't I just creating more competitors for when I was freelancing? And I said, there's enough web to go around, and I want people to feel empowered to build their own sites or to build sites for others. So it is pretty
Yes.
cool. So for women who are thinking about a career in tech and WordPress, or maybe have already started a career in tech and WordPress, what is your advice to them?
I would say they will be more success if they started, or maybe they are planning to start their career in WordPress. Because maybe you remember I asked to mate on what came Asia about the what future challenges of the WordPress, and
Yeah.
is WordPress will be open source forever, so he said yes. So this
Yes.
is the biggest advantage, and anyone can do it, and every woman can become success by using WordPress if they don't have any technical knowledge, and if they don't want to
Hmm.
go with the other side of PHP and coding. Sometimes women have fear, oh, I cannot do the coding, I don't know anything. But if they start with WordPress in the service industry especially, they can do anything. So I would suggest every woman, if they want to do something, WordPress is the right platform for them.
Perfect. I love that.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you taking some time out of your day. I know it must be quite late there. And so I
No,
appreciate
no, it's fine. I
getting,
enjoy working with the people, the late night, mid of the
yes.
night, because in the past 13 years, I mostly worked with the people like overseas business owner, somebody from USA, Germany,
Mm,
Berlin, and all over the world. So
yeah.
different time zone and different. So I enjoy work in the night
Oh,
time.
good. That's a good thing. Well, thank you for letting us
Yeah.
tell your story a little bit and sharing
Yeah.
with us about your journey and your hopes for WordPress. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much to you, as you given your time and we connected again each other.
Of course, it's always good to see you.